Getting us all those important details. So government doing that one-time compensation to the oil marketing companies on LPG and oil marketing companies on flattish to weakish otherwise market has also sustained the rally, even if the key indices have dipped during the trading session. So keep an eye out on this particular pocket of the market. Moving on then, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman says that the upcoming budget in the month of February will address inflation concerns. Now, the minister, who is in Washington, D.C. to attend the annual meeting of the International Monetary Fund, or IMF, and the World Bank, also spoke about the global economic concerns that pose a risk for India. Listen in.
Growth priorities will be kept absolutely on the top. Even as I speak about the concerns that inflation brings before me. So inflation concerns will have to be addressed, but then how would you manage growth would be the natural question. But that's the point of, being sure how you're going to be able to balance the two and be sure that the momentum that Indian economy has got coming out of the pandemic and the momentum with which it will grow even the next year, even as per the very many multilateral institutions which are observing India, cannot be weakened. So it will have to again be a very carefully structured budget in which the growth momentum will have to be sustained. There are a lot of risks, and all of them I would, in a very generic fashion, put it as extraneous to Indian economy. They're all things happening outside which are definitely hitting us. And we are every now and then understanding the intensity of this and responding to it. Energy, fertilizer prices. Energy, not just the price, but also the availability. The risks to sourcing of energy. All these are challenges which are not in the medium term, not in the long term, but also in the short term.
All right, that is some important comment coming in from the Finance Minister, but more news at the bottom of your screen.